Is your C drive full? Today I'm showing you how to free up space on Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Delete old Windows updates. Open File Explorer and go to This PC. Then open C drive. Navigate to the Windows folder. Scroll down and find Software Distribution. Open it, then go to the Download folder. This contains old Windows Update files you don't need anymore. Press Ctrl-A to select all, then Shift-Delete to permanently remove them. Click Continue. Step 2. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows plus R, type WS Reset, and click OK. This clears your Microsoft Store cache. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes for it to complete. Step 3. Run Disk Cleanup. Press Windows plus R one more time, type cleanmg, and hit OK. This opens Disk Cleanup. Check all the boxes here. You might see anywhere from a few megabytes to 50 gigabytes of junk files. Click OK to delete everything. Step 4. Uninstall unused programs. Windows plus R one more time, type appwiz.cpl, and click OK. This opens Programs and Features. Look for applications you don't use, especially large ones taking 500 megabytes or more. Select them and click Uninstall. Step 5. Clean Downloads folder. Open File Explorer and go to Downloads. Sort files by size at the top. Delete large files you no longer need. Do the same for videos, documents, and pictures folders. Once finished, restart your computer and you should have significantly more free space on your C drive.